Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can go ahead and subscribe Amazon Prime in iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, the first thing we would do is we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our Amazon Prime right there in our browser. Go ahead, open your browsers, go to search bar and type in primevideo.com. I already have done it and I'm logged in with my account as well, where I would like to get my subscription. That's what you gotta do as well. Once you have done it, you're gonna go ahead, tap on that profile icon on top right corner of the screen. Then you simply go ahead, tap on this option called account and settings. Simply go ahead, tap on this option called help over there, and now you will find this account details option in the settings section. Simply go ahead, tap on this will simply open up this kind of interface, which will, so once you tap on this account details, you will simply have to go ahead, enter your email or phone number, or then and your password of your Amazon account. Once you're done tapping on that, then you tap on the sign in option, which will simply open up your account settings, and then afterwards you will be able to find an option called your membership, where you're gonna go ahead, get signed up. Then you will find the plans that are available for Prime Video. You're gonna choose a particular one that you would like to enjoy or you would like to pay for. Once you're done tapping on this purchase option, then you can go ahead, add your payment method. Once you're done adding it, you will be able to subscribe for an Amazon Prime in your iPhone right there in your mobile, right there in Amazon. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.